here.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I put a box with dinner for you guys on the porch.
Listen. Oh my God.
Han, don't go close, Han, huh? Where are we going? Seems like that's confusing to me.
Yeah, hold on. Good morning, Philippines! My mother's cousin was a lawyer. He lived in one of these buildings over here.
Here in the middle of nowhere, there is no there. It is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to lay to drift away. I fill my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. 'Cause I'm stuck in limbo. I'm out of love, but I guess I deserved it. Trying to hide, to pass you by. I'm getting down, feeling fine. I'm light as air, no one can reach me. Lost in a dream, lost in between. Let's keep on.
Yeah. At least it's not fucking crazy people here walking.
This is Central Park.
Yeah,
This is the road going through it.
yeah, I've been here once with Dreamy.
All people sitting up there.
Look, may tao pala. Central Park dito daw, guys. Dito na lugar. At saka may mga taong nakaupo pa dun. Look, guys, may military doon, guys, oh. Look, oh. May military doon. Nakaano sila. Kasi dito kasi yun sa Central Park nilagay yung tent for extension, for hospital extension.
Yep.
So, dito
If
lahat.
you look, you maybe I'll see it. I don't know where exactly in Central Park it is.
Do you know where you're going, Han?
Central Park's pretty big. Yeah.
Careful, Han. This is one lane, Han.
No, it's both lanes come in, but then they
Yeah, I know.
merge.
So, where you have to...
Yeah, you can't see over the walls anyway.
Yeah. There's a lot of people here. I thought there's like lockdown. Stay at home.
I can just feel it. This is basically lockdown, stay at home.
Yeah, I know,
There's
but
like nobody.
I know this is usually like packed, but no one listen.
Well, people still go out.
Look, oh my God, there's no distancing here. There's no distancing here. Mga tao, dami pang tao. Look. Oh, that's a nice building. That's a nice building, guys, right there. I like it. I like it all. Daming tao, guys. Buildings. andito na kami guys. Wala pa, hindi pa nakita ni Tammy yung building kung saan siya nakatira. Well, and then Tammy is kunin niya lang yung food. Yep. Put your mask already. Ito yung mga buildings dito guys, mga apartment. Alam nyo, itong mga apartment na to, maliit siya, pero ang mahal. Kahit saan ka dito makatira sa New York, ang mahal. Look, yun si Tammy. Mask! Look. Tammy mo eh. Yan, hanapin niya yung ano, malayo pa yun ba? Kaluka mo nito si Tammy. He is here. His delivery is done. Well, actually, there's one more. Oh, well, two more.
Okay. Got a whole bag of wine bottles here. What do these people do with their spare time?
Drinking?
Yeah, you think?
Yeah. They're drinking. So, guys, this is Manhattan. And now we're heading to Queens. Queens!
Route recalculation.
No, he only knows my name because
Turn
he
right
asked me
at the
what name,
traffic
so I can
light.
tell him who.
Then, take the next right.
Normally somebody does that to me, and
Turn
10
right
seconds
at
later
the
I
traffic
forgot
light.
the name.
Yeah.
Then,
Turn
take
here.
the next right.
Look at that. This
Yes.
in the city.
For Manhattan, this is empty.
Huh?
No, for Manhattan, this is empty.
Yeah, this is very empty. Look at it. It's nothing. Look at that delivery guy. Just keep going over there. It's crazy. Look, this
Yeah,
is
especially
pretty.
they're subject to the same laws. So he's supposed to stop the lights too. And he's supposed to be in the bike path, which is that green path over there.
Yeah. La pulisan.
I see him. I don't know what he's doing, but I see him.
Tommy?
Couple dollars.
Oh.
Yeah, you got it. Not worse shape than anybody right now.
This is Queens, guys. This is where Remy lived before. Queens, New York. Yung kaibigan ko si Remy Calotes.
Oh, you want Jollibees?
Hala.
Close.
Hala, no.
Okay.
So dito na kami, guys. So yun yung bahay nila dyan. And last, ano, hindi ito last. Hindi pala ito last. Ano pala ito? Last pandesal pot. And yung ano dito, guys, yung red ribbon is 8 minutes away. So 8 minutes away from here. I want to go to red ribbon to get some pandesal. 8 minutes from here. Drop siya ng pagkain, guys.
Hello, this is Rita. Nice to hear from you. Hello.
Hey, Angie.
Hi. Hello.
How you doing?
All right. How is everything with you?
Oh, not too bad. I'm sitting in front of your house.
You are?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
I put a box with dinner for you guys on the porch.
Listen. Why did you do that? Why don't you put on your mask and come in?
No, man. We got a lot of running around to do. I just wanted to bring you guys some dinner.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Hand, don't go close, huh?
All right.
Good. How's everybody else feeling?
Well, that feels so good.
Beautiful day to be out.
Isn't it?
Building. I never seen building in the mountain area side of mine. Oh, building. Building. The city of the city. There's a river, there's a river, there's a river, there's a river. La 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 la. Shit. Slow down, on. Pay attention with your drive, please. There's a river, 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 there's a river. There's a second river. There's a river, there's another second river. Bumpy, bumpy mama, mama, bumpy mama. Bumpy mama, mama, mama. There's a building, building. There's a car in front of us, we're getting out of the bridge. Getting out of the bridge, getting out of the bridge, getting out of the bridge. A la 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 long, a la 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 long, talong talong. Am I a good singer?
Freaking amazing.
Are you just being rude?
I don't know how much what I said you heard. But thank you very, very much. I got the package, and my goodness, it's a full course meal: salad, bread, entree.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
And the guy is he's a good cook. He used to be a 4-star chef in Manhattan.
So what?
So guys, we are heading home to New Rochelle, the other house.
Turn left at the traffic light. Then, take the next left. Route recalculation. Prepare to exit the highway in 1.5 miles at exit 19.
Hello guys. Tommy is so hungry guys. Nagutom si Tommy guys. Humingi siya ng pagkain niya guys. Look. Binigay sa kanya yung pinaka end ng pagkain niya. Lala. Tommy guys, nagmamadali itong nag-drive oh. Kasi gutom na yan. Ano ng oras? 4 o'clock na, wala pa yung lunch. Kawawa naman itong baby oy. Kaya humingi talaga siya guys, kahit yung bread lang. Mom's favorite tree. Come here na. I know you don't have strength. You don't eat whole day. Alam niyo ba kung ano yung kinain niya this morning? Only that grapefruit. That's it. I feel bad for my baby. Okay, sit down. Sit down over there. Oh, nag-drive siya ba? And din yung pagkain niya, nandun sa likuran, ginagrab talaga niya, sabi niya. Sabi ko, ako na kukuha. Madisgrasya pa tayo nito. Okay guys, we're heading home. Ako naman yung mag-drive guys. Let's go. Okay guys, andito na kami sa last drop namin. So yun, nandito na kami. Ihatid lang ni Tommy kasi ano to, matanda. And ito pala siya is ano, mother-in-law ng kapatid ni Tommy. Palagi ni Tommy tinatawagan. Hindi kasi nila kinausap. Walang nagpupunta dito, hindi tinulungan. So si Tommy na lang. Walang tumutulong ba? Parang magkagalit ata sila. So yun. Ito pala yung bahay niya dito. Anyway guys. Ito. Tignan ko lang guys. Hello! Roxy din ito daw guys. Yung pangalan niya. Oh. May aso siya. Hi! Your name is Roxy? Your name is Roxy too? Roxy? Hi Roxy! Hello Roxy! Friendly. Hi Roxy! You want me to come in? Roxy, come here. Hello. So happy. Hi, Roxy. Roxy, what is that? Oh, you give me your ball. Yes, you have a ball. Give me your ball. Give it to me. Come here, give it to me. Come here. Good. Oh. Good girl. Come here, give it to me. Come here. Good girl. Good girl. Wait, come here. Give me your ball. Give me your ball. Come here. Give me your ball. Ang cute naman ito. Ang taba-taba nito, oy. Hala. Kasi, ano ito guys, spoil daw niya ito. Pinakain niya ng mga ano, kahit ano-ano lang daw. Hi Roxy. Roxy din pangalan. Hi Roxy. Roxy. Yes. Aray. That's it. Hala. That's it. No. Where is it? Huh? Where is it? Give it to me. Come here. It's smart dog. Ay, come here. May mosquito eh. Okay, I'm done. Last. Okay, last. Okay, that's it. That's it. Gusto talaga. Come here, give it to me. Give it to me. I cannot. Come here. Mag-ano lang tayo, alcohol. Kawawa yung aso ba? Ang taba, guys. Ginoo ko eh. Ang sabi pa niya, kasi sabi niya, yung aso daw niya is, matanda na. Kailangan, kahit mataba na, very unhealthy. Gusto niya maging masaya. Kung anong gusto ibigay. At kung ano yung kakainin niya, ibigay niya. At saka kasama yan, matulog-tulog. Yung pareha katulad lang sa amin din. Anyway. Ang lalaki ng mga kapitbahay niya. Pero siya lang yung bahay na siya lang kasi mag-isa. Matanda na ito, guys. Matanda na, I think, nasa mga 80s na din. And yung anak niyang lalaki at saka yung kapatid ni Tami mag-asawa. So, ngayon, hindi nila kinausap. At saka yung nag-start yung COVID, bawal na siyang lalabas kasi matanda na nga. So, lalabas pa rin siya kasi matigas din ulo nito. Patigas guys, kaya palagi silang nag-away-away. Hindi kinausap, hindi tinulungan yung aso eh. Yung aso ba, hinahanap pa rin ako. So, ngayon, naisipan ni Tami kung magbigay siya ng mga pagkain sa mga matatanda, isali niya to. Palagi niyang kinumusta, palaging tinatawagan, ganun. Ganyan talaga ang buhay, guys, ng tao. Kaya noon, guys, yung kami ni Biyanan, kahit hindi kami magkasundo, di ba, kahit hindi kami magkasundo ni Biyanan noon, so wala silang masabi, lalo't itong kapatid ni Tami na babae, wala siyang masabi dahil kasi malala pa siya sa akin. Ako hindi ko inawa yung ina niya, hindi ko sinabihan ng masama, pero itong kapatid ni Tami, itong biyanan niya, mag-away yan sila guys. Grabe yung mga, sa kung sa Bisaya pa, grabe yung mga putang inaputang. Lamok ba yan or bug? Lamok, uy, matabang lamok, anak ko, Ginoo ko, Lord.
Last week, she told me she was waiting for Frankie. Frankie said he'd come over that day to go down in the basement and put a laundry dryer because she can't get back up the stairs. He never came.
They don't come here, Angelo, still?
No.
So you're doing job for her?
So I went down there, took the laundry from the wash, put it in the dryer.
Is she not sick, hon?
No. That dog is so, look at it. That dog just wants somebody to play with it.
That dog will just want to play, period. I have to go over there.
But she plays fetch. She'll bring the thing back to you to get you to throw it again.
She's a good dog compared to our dog. Our dog is crazy.
You teach them to do that. You teach them if they want to play.
No, I mean,
keep bringing it back to you.
Our dog is like barking to every person in the whole world.
Yeah. Well, you were afraid of her when we first got here.
Cannot go back up here, guys, because the struggle is real. Let's go. Where are we going? Seems like that's confusing to me.
Yeah, hold on.
Onto County Road 46,
I went to the store
Overlook
and I
Road.
asked the guy in the store, I said, what do you got for mosquitoes around here? The guy pulls out a gun.
Oh my god. What did she say? Is she happy that she have a thing?
Yeah.
You get food?
Yeah, but apparently somebody else came over earlier today and brought her food. And it was apparently the same food.
Huh?
She said franchise. It was the same thing we got her, so. But she was calling and calling you just weren't answering.
I'm in the car, locked. Happy. Lagyan ko lang ito ng tubig, guys. Hello, you smell another dog? You smell another dog? Let's go. Pagkatapos sa mga lakad-lakad namin, and oh my god, itong bangs ko parang tumutusok na sa mata ko. Wala kaming pagkain. Luto tayo ng guys. Tawag nito, broccoli at saka carrots. Luto lang tayo. Sabi pa ng asawa ko, daw kami. Mag-order para sa dinner. Sabi ko, wag na, gasto. Gumagasto na tayo. Gasto pa, dubli-dubli. Luto na lang ako. So, yun. Ito, nagluto tayo ng at saka tilapia na naman at saka gulay. Nagmamadali lang akong nag-cut, guys, ng mga onion at garlic. Kasi 7 o'clock na. So, yun siya, guys. Yan yung ulam. Yan siya, guys. Yan, masarap yan siya, guys. Mga ganyang luto. Walang tubig. Dry na burn siya. Ito yung dinner ni Tami, guys. Ito yung dinner namin. Yun siya. And, yun lang yung dinner namin. Ako wala ng ganon. Isda lang at saka vegetables. Tigas ng ulo, ha? Anyway, guys, I'm going to end the vlog. We're gonna end the vlog, Han. I'm tired, Han. Good night. See you tomorrow. Salamat, guys, sa panonood ng mga videos namin. Thank you so much. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi, guys. Thanks for coming on the food run.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
See you tomorrow, guys. Bye-bye.
So rock about